How to change country on Ticketmaster. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change country on Ticketmaster. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.ticketmaster.com. You will then be led to the official webpage of Ticketmaster. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the My Account option you see on the top right of your screen and then tap on the Edit Profile option from the right side My Account tab. You will then be led to your profile. So, scroll down and navigate to the Locations tab and tap on the Country drop-down and further select the country to which you want to change your country to, and once done, tap on the Update Locations option, and with this, your country will be changed. So, this is how you can change country on Ticketmaster. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.